In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So at first, just open list of all apps, locate and open settings then, and here you need to click on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now select Show Your Data, and here you've got the detailed statistics. If you'd like to gain some more knowledge, if you'd like to make it, let's say, more visible for each app, not just the categories, click on it again. And here you've got the detailed statistics for each app of yours. And this is it. This is how you can open dashboard. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.